At the Vallox factory, the staff works in a modern setting. Special attention has been paid to work ergonomics and safety. Production has been developed in accordance with the lean principles, which means that the goods are in the right place at the right time, with minimal waste. The production is pull-controlled. Production starts with the sheet metal work center. There are 3 centers, 2 servo-operated or electric ones, and 1 hydraulic sheet metal work center. Roughly 2 million kilos of sheet metal is used in production every year. This is, however, only around half of the total capacity. The sheet metal work center can operate around the clock. The automatic bending machine can also be used unmanned. Its capacity is many times that of a normal bending machine. The bending department is partially automated and includes 1 robot. All in all, the department has 12 bending cells, most of which have energy-saving servo-operated machines. After bending, parts are either stored, painted, or delivered to subcontractors for part manufacture. Job rotation used in the production enables flexible capacity. The capacity of the powder paint shop is 2.5 meters per minute. Parts and partial assemblies are hung on the track and are first forwarded to the wash. From the wash tunnel, the parts are forwarded to the drying furnace, after which they are ready to be painted. The 5 sprayers at the front and the 3 at the back of the painting cabinet guarantee efficient painting. The paint adheres to the surface of the item by electric charge. The paint is burnt onto the steel in an incinerator furnace at 200 degrees centigrade. After burning, the parts are removed from the track to their designated locations. This only takes around 2 hours. In the so-called supermarket, each component has its designated location, batch and box size. The components are forwarded to the assembly using Kanban cards. Electrical assembly is an ESD or an electrostatic discharge area that may not be entered without the use of appropriate equipment. Material control is implemented also here using Kanban cards. The electric and fan assembly has the most ergonomic workstations in the entire factory. Desks and material shelves can be adjusted at a suitable level for each worker. The workstations are designed for rotating work, which is done standing up. Prolonged standing is still avoided where possible. At the present time, over 30,000 ventilation units are completed at the factory each year. The production volume of Vallox 110 is one of the highest of all Vallox products. Production progresses 1 item at a time, so that each product constantly moves along the line, ensuring that they do not accumulate at any point. Each Vallox ventilation unit is tested. This ensures that the unit is safe and works as designed. The testing of the MV product series is automatic. An electric safety test, which is required by the authorities, is completed first. If the unit passes the test, it receives a type plate. Next, a functionality test and a pressure test are completed on the unit. After these, the unit will receive stickers needed for the package and is ready to be packed. Most of the products are transferred directly to collection from the line, and some are stored to await forwarding. The dispatch center has space for around 2,000 pallets. All deliveries are completed by road. Vallox has invested in product design. The units are tested in a cold laboratory to ensure that they operate in all climate conditions. The factory also has its own acoustic laboratory for testing the acoustic properties of the units. All Vallox staff are at our customers' disposal.